Ayan, so good morning. So andito tayo ngayon sa Lima Outlet sa Batangas and attend tayo ng Batangas Rally for Tourism. So this is basically Taal Loop lang to, 100 kilometers lang. So very doable within 2 to 3 hours siguro, even with stops. So explain ko na lang yung mechanics kung paano tong gagawin tong rally namin for this Saturday morning. So ito yung BTR or yung Batangas Tourism Rally. Ito ay isang joint project ng Philippine Motorcycle Tourism, DOTR, Motorclide, International Fellowship of Motorcycling Rotarians at iba pang mga organisasyon. Ang aim nito is to showcase yung tourism and help boost local economies through motorcycle riding. Hindi ito basta-basta ride lang for leisure or fun. Ngunit ito ay naglalayang i-promote ang camaraderie ng bawat rider at ipakita sa komunidad na meron tayong may tutulong sa mga local business dito sa atin. Ang BTR ay mayroong 7 main destinations. And sa bawat checkpoint, kami ay required na bumili ng anumang lokal na produkto kahit gaano man kaliit or kamura man ito. In total, around 100 kilometers lang itong loop na gagawin namin. So ito is essentially Taal Loop mula sa Lipa, going around and back. Magsisimula kami dito sa The Outlet sa Lima Estates, Lipa. And ang aming first destination ay isa Simbang Bato sa Laurel, which is around 1 hour from here.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Okay, so medyo naligaw kami. Ikot lang kami dito kung saan man lugar to. Kasi siguro yung sinusundan nung nasa harap namin ay naligaw or nahiwalay. Naputol. Eh, hindi naputol yung linya. So ayan, ikot lang kami. Muli makabalik kami sa tamang daan. Diretso lang. Diretso lang daw, mabilis siya.
Battle po kami, 13 points po.
Yung nasa cup.
20.
Yan na lang nasa cup. Hindi na ako. Kapag selfie na.
Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung local product nila dito sa local. So, hindi na lang tayo full support sa locals.
Sa inyo po, tingnan ng banana chip po. Binigyan po kayo
Magkano dito ate?
70 lang sir.
Ano to? Anong binili mo, pre?
Ito.
Ano yan?
Mahilig ako dito eh. Sampalok.
Isang palok. Para maasim. Ay, ito. Ano ba ito? Magkano dito, ate?
Alin po? Sige lang po.
Tignan ba? Oo,
Kailangan
alin mo
yun
na.
para maano ka sa rapon.
Hindi, ate. Dito sa sapin-sapin. Ganon din. Ah, sige, tig-tatlo. So, ito na lang bilhin natin. Kalamay, tsaka sapin-sapin. Tig-tatlo. Bali, 6,100.
Picture sa inyo. Sir,
Oo.
sir, makatab, 100. Teka lang,
Hindi, okay na yan natin.
Okay na.
Wait lang ah. Pawag nga lang, pre. So, ayan, punta muna tayo dun sa simbahan para makita dito kung anong meron. Simbahang wala. So, ito siya. Yung simbahang bato. So,
Hintay po namin. Bakit hindi ka ba nag-work to be happy?
okay. So, okay na tayo sa simbahang bato. Next stop is Agoncillo Municipal Hall. So, I'm assuming ito is siguro Heritage House. That's it. Tara. Ayan, destination 3 tayo sa Rotary Market. Kung saan man to. Ito siya guys.
Yung mga nakalistino dito. Hello. Nag-i-grow tuloy kami sa checkpoint.
Okay. So destination 3, destination 4 naman sa Cuenca, Batangas. Luis Bakery. Tara.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that cool sign. Same podcast, same old roots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your
Okay,
past.
nandito na tayo sa pang-apat na destination sa Luis Bakery sa Cuenca, Batangas. Check out natin yung bakery, kung anong meron. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Kaya ako kakainin.
Oo, masarap. Dami.
Kopya. Munggo, baboy, ano.
So, apparently, ito yung best seller nila. Yung cheese roll dito. So, ito yun. Kuha tayo nito, and then yun, kuha din tayo ng
Hindi ka ito mapanis. Hindi naman
yung
siguro.
cream cheese roll daw. Ito daw.
Cream cheese.
Oh, yan. And ito. Yan. So, ito yung best seller nila. And so, okay na tayo dito sa bakery. Next stop naman natin is sa Lumihan. And then, after nun, yung last two stops naman ay markers lang. So, mabilis lang kami doon. And then, 3 p.m. yung program. And siguro ano na rin, parang kainan. 5 ang AA Snowy Batangas. So guys, finally nakarating na tayo sa Lakelands. So ito yung final destination and assembly ng Arabi. Ano ka na? Sige.
Strong, crazy bets on me. Back mid scroll, Armageddon arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless jazz. We're feeling just fine in our running heads. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know